2012 Z4. The BMW Z4 represents a slight change in philosophy for BMW's Roadster, as it sacrifices ultimate handling for greater ride comfort and overall refinement, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, bucket seats, navigation package, heated front seats, trip computer, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.